Hello, everybody. This is Sci-Fi Junkie again on a lovely, wonderful Wednesday. I believe it's Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. And as you guys may or may not have known, if you've not kept track of everything, that I was attempting to wipe a server, and that means I kind of had to use my spare monitor to actually monitor when it was done. And so, and it finally finished up yesterday. But anyway, as I was fixing to go ahead and put Ubuntu on it, I unfortunately couldn't find a. Let's see, where are we at? It was index that we were working on last go around. So I couldn't find an open. Couldn't find an open RJ11 port, which is basically a port when you guys have like a network cable, and the end of it is, for us IT guys, is RJ11. Wish I can. Yeah, I think it's RJ11. Either way, it was a network port on the router. Actually, you know what? I gotta look into. I gotta make sure I'm right on that. So make sure I'm right on that. RJ11 is. Let's write that RJ45. That's right, RJ45. RJ11 is phone cable. Anyway, one's bigger than the other. But anyway, I was trying to look at my AT&T router and noticed that all of the ports on the router are used. So, as you guys, if you guys kept track of some of the stuff I post on Facebook, at least on my personal Facebook, then you would know that I was using Acorns. And then, unfortunately, with all of this stuff going on with, COVID and people not wanting to give people work and all that stuff, it kind of made it where I couldn't actually get work myself. And in fact, the last time I had any work was roughly 3 months ago, I think. Yeah, I think it's about 2-3 months. Actually, next month I'll probably be making it where it's 3 months. But anyway, either way, it's no biggie. But anyway, during the time that I actually got my own bank account, I was using Acorns, which once I start getting funds, I'm going to start putting funds back into Acorn. So right now I got like $62 and something cents. Anyway, let's see, where were we? Actually, where were we? Anyway, Let's see, where. It's actually been quite a while, so I don't even know where we were at. Let's see, where is it? Where did I put it? Validators, that's the reason why. Okay, so. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and dump this in here. And let's see, desktop, because that's where I think it's at. Go for index. A lot of images in here. And shoes. No, it's right down. Dagnabbit. Be right if I get it right going on. Anyway, and so let's see, where are we? Wait, what? Wait a minute. What? The font. Wait a minute. Okay, hang on now. Where is it? Okay, hang on. No. Where is it getting that from? Huh? Okay, let's go ahead and show source. And it'll show us where. Oh, it's down there. Okay, never mind. Okay, just had to make sure we were at. So we are down here. Okay, yeah, I just didn't go down far enough. Anyway, but anyway, that's the reason why I haven't streamed since, what was it? Close to the first of the month? I know it's been like a couple weeks now. So that's the reason why it's taking me a little while to get back in the game. Okay, so font size -1. Font face. Okay. So let's put this as footer, because I think we. Okay. So what do we got? Body, table, TR, H2, paragraph, TD, HR. Oh, hey, that actually worked for. Holy macaroni, man. I didn't think I'd get any ads from Lutz for just chatting stream. Hey, imagine that. Anyway, where were we? Oh, yeah. So we need to go ahead and do a footer. They want -1. Alright, bud. Take a chill pill. Okay, come down. So I can get. There we go. Okay, so, I'm gonna have to. -1. See, I don't understand why they did the whole -1 deal on there. They could have just put it in. Let's go with foot. Let's go with that. Go ahead and put that. No. I'm gonna go the other way with it. Let's see. So we need to go ahead and put bring down the font family, and they wanted it. Yeah, I'm not even familiar with that font family, so we're just going ahead and put that there. I'm not even sure if that's going to work. Dagnabbit, of course it'd be alright if I copied it from here and then pasted it here instead of trying to copy over the copy. Okay, and then okay, so then they said font size -1 there too. For in a way, That's a paragraph. But instead of putting the paragraph here, they put it here. Now, mind you, these are supposed to have like 5 programmers and 5 other people writing between business and mathematics and programming too on top of that are doing other stuff. And it's so actually we could probably do this as paragraph footer. We could do that. P dot footer. There we go. Okay, and then so let's see, where is it? Block is 19. Okay, let's go with because I even had like negative or positive crap on this too. With the last go around. Because they could have made this all paragraph. And then, although I see what they were doing with 2 paragraphs. They were trying to anyway, and it just didn't. They didn't code it right. So let's go with. Excuse me. So let's go with. Jeez. At least they did the whole. See, they didn't even need to have. Well, if they wanted to have space in between, I could see that, but they don't really need to do that because all you do is just hit space, unless you want like double space. So, So let's go with, because if you notice, I can actually go into the Erlobs if it'll actually show up. Go into view page source, and there, where was it? Yeah, it says font size +1. And we established that it was pretty close to being, let's see. And then it did a lot of breaks and pages and stuff. And let's see, so that was block. And we established that was 19 pixels. So we could probably make it. Could probably make it 15, and it'd probably be pretty close to what they were wanting. It just kind of makes me wonder what they were thinking when they put this page together. And I'm actually surprised that it even works today, to be honest. Since all the other times I go to it, it just. And see, it says font size -1 there, and then font size -1 there. And as you very well see, right here, it says the font element is obsolete. Use CSS instead. Imagine that. Imagine that. And the P is not allowed as a child element. Imagine that. So you can see all this stuff that they kind of make you wonder what they were doing, to be honest. Nature is not allowed as a child element. So wait, what did I do wrong here? Oh, I think I see now. Huh. I'm not sure what I meant by that. I might have to look into how hard lines work. It's been a while since I've used them because I don't personally use them all that much. So, yeah, I don't personally use them all that much. So let's go ahead and take this out, make this a paragraph, because I'm pretty sure that's what they're actually aiming to do. Of course, if you're right, if I actually get it going right. And then, close this tag off, and then let's go ahead and get rid of this. And because I'm pretty sure this is what they were aiming for, but I'm not quite sure. This is just a very off the wall guesstimation. Let's see, get that lined up. And then, because they used font on all this, it shouldn't really have been done that way, in my opinion. No. Okay, so, I it kind of makes me wonder what they were thinking when they, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take out these extra spaces, because they, in my opinion, they don't really need to happen. But then again, you just do that, and the space happens to just be there. Because basically what they did, instead of just hitting the space key, they added the space in the code, which really does not need to happen. Really kind of makes me wonder how they even learned how to do the whole HTML part anyway, to be honest. Oh hey, we got another ad, yay. Now copy, I think that is actually the copyright symbol, so I think that's good to go. Yes, that's the copyright symbol, so we need to leave that. And then the ampersand. Okay, I think we're good to go there. So let's go ahead and put it as P class equals, no, not plus, equals. Not plus, man, equals. There we do, and here we go, FUTR. Close that out. And then we're going to do the same here. Class equals cursor. Wait. What did I do wrong? Oh, that's nice. I really kind of butchered that one up, didn't I? And then they wanted it centered. So let's just see if this will even work to begin with, to be honest. No, it's too big. So let's bring it down to 12. Maybe it's 12. Okay, that looks about right. So let's go back to Erlob and make sure. No, it's a little too small. So let's go with 14. And let's see. Let's go for 13 then. Oh crap! No. 13. Okay, there we go. There we go, man. Okay, it was 13 pixels. So, yeah, that's what they're doing is so it's not quite exactly the way they're aiming for, but it's pretty much, in my opinion, where it should have been. Okay, so now let's see. Let's do a little hunting on how hard HTML hard line. Let's see. Now, let's see, hardline tags. Because it's, like I said, it's been a while since I did any I wonder if that'll actually pass now, since I did that. Let's find out before we start digging into stuff that we don't need to really worry about digging into. Kind of forgot about that shortcut until now. No errors found. Okay, so yeah, it was just because of that one error. And there you go. That is how you fix it. It's one page. So we are going to go ahead and, in my opinion, we're going to go ahead and see why. So there's a lot of stuff that I have no freaking clue what they were planning on. So I wonder what this one was for. So let's go ahead and temporarily take this out. And let's just cut it so we can actually keep it in the clipboard. Because right now, if I saved it right now, it's going to take that space out, and push it all the way out. Like, in my opinion, it should have been. So, let's see. Of course, okay. Yeah, so that's where that should have happened. Let's go ahead and take these out, leave that there, and then we can go ahead and add a line here, just to kind of space it out a bit, make it somewhat more readable, in my opinion. And then, what is that? Is that the point? Is that what's? Yeah, I think that's the point. Free accounting services, huh? It's kind of weird. Let's go with make that down to 22. Because again, it's been a while since I've actually done anything. Oh, okay, I think I know why now. Yeah. It's because of the that does actually seem closer. The font size. I think I know somewhat what might be the problem, and that's just because of the way they have the table structure. That's pretty much it. That's a little bit bigger than what they have it. That's about the same size. It just kind of shifts a little bit. So if we go ahead and do this, yeah, it's just shifting a little bit. It's because the way they have their tile, their structure on the table. I mean, granted, tables do have their place and stuff like that. It's just that you can't expect them to kind of work like they're supposed to. But, so in my opinion, it's pretty much good to go. It really is. Without knowing exactly what they were planning on doing to begin with. So, we're going to go ahead and call that done. As you can really see, this is all this stuff right here. All the stuff they could have fucking, excuse my language, they could have fucking damn well done. Yeah. And actually, I don't even know if that's even the right spot. I think the title should be, I think the title should be up there, but I'm not for sure. Of course, it's because it's actually been quite a while since I've actually. So let's go ahead and let me compare that to my own to make sure. Server Nginx, which I actually do plan on using Nginx once I get that server set, everything, because it's all I gotta do is install Ubuntu on it. No, that's not what I wanted. Install Ubuntu, because I plan on using Ubuntu. I figured why not. Yeah, it's the title should be right there. And then there's that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm alright. I just need to move stuff around a little bit. Either way, it's going to work because it's got all the things in it. Just because it's in the wrong spot doesn't necessarily mean anything. And I should say, doesn't necessarily mean anything most of the time anyway. And then we're going to go ahead and plop that there, hit save. We're going to go ahead and double check to make sure it actually is still clean and full of no errors, or has no errors. No, that's not what I wanted. If you type it fast enough, it'll get you to where you need to go. So, and then we're going to check in. Errors, filter messages. And it says document is completed, no errors or warnings shown. And there you go. Imagine that. See, this is what in my opinion makes no sense to me, is you get all these lovely, wonderful companies that claim to have all these lovely, wonderful, smart people and everything that are supposed to be programmers and all this other stuff, and they can't even bother to check their own work with other tools. Now, granted, this tool right here, the the Mu HTML checker, this is still experimental. So this could be wrong, and they could have been right. But see, if I would have done the same thing with, say, my page. Let's go ahead and run mine again. Go ahead and run mine, and I'll go ahead and show you the difference and why even the validator I use for even mine, which happens to be right here. Let's see, where is it? Server, HTML. Let's go with index. So you'll see it goes straight to theirs, straight to this, and it says it's passed. But even this, in a way, is still kind of being worked on. And it could still have, let's say, you know, I'm doing it wrong. So that's the reason why it goes from the one, you know, the one I was using, which straight up said I was like using HTML, XHTML1 traditional, to the one that we're having to use with Erlob's page, because for one, the way they wrote it is very close to HTML5, and I'm not sure they even realized that back then, because I don't even know. Let's see. Let's do another check. When did slavery end? Oh, that's nice. When did HTML5 come out? 2008. Now this page, let's see, when was there? See, copyright 2006, 2020. So it was 2006. And there, this says 2008 for when it came out. First release to a public-facing form. Status, and recommended its status update for it in October 2014. So maybe they had some knowledge of it coming out, and so they just plastered it over there and been done with it. That's not how you should do it, but I mean, if it works, it works, I guess. So, let's go ahead. Actually, try. Crap, I shouldn't have closed that. So let's go ahead and now we're going to go ahead and call index. Let's see. Let's make sure. Oh, okay, never mind. Let's go ahead and make sure. Actually, hang on a second, guys. What's that? No. Oh, nuts. I closed that one. I probably didn't need it anyway. Don't need that one. Yeah, I probably didn't need that one anyway. So all I need. Okay, there we go. I accidentally inadvertently closed one, but hey, why not? So let's go to the desktop, go to that one, let's go to that one. So that was it. That was actually index. So actually, let's go ahead and bring that one back up. Did we even got that one? Okay, we actually got that one. So let's go for let's go for About Us. It should be fairly simple. Fairly simple. So let's go for let's see. No, that About Us is actually contact. Are you freaking kidding me? Contact. Why are they doing it like this? So let's go ahead and run this through the validator, and let's see, validator. Let's run this through the validator and see what it does. No, not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Contact. Really kind of just makes you wonder. And actually, I forgot to. Well, actually, I didn't forget. I probably should have ended it, but get tutorial show. Oh crap! Come on now. Come on now, man. And jeez, are you kidding me? All right, so let's go ahead and borrow a couple things from. Oh crap! Okay, so let's go ahead and borrow a couple things from the other to actually make it where we have to do less work, not more. which means we go ahead and bring this over here. That'll fix that error. Let's rerun it. Jeez. When okay, so we're okay, so let's go ahead and go with meta tag. Copy this over. Put that in front of the header. Save. Let's run that there again. I have a feeling. Holy cow. Okay, English. Wait. Why is that tripping over there? That's kind of weird. Let's see. So we're gonna have to actually try to format this crap too. I really kind of hate to have to freaking manually get this going. That's got to be because of another error that's coming up. From line 1, column 1, line 1, column 18, or 2, column 18. Because it's not tripped over here, but oh wait, no, never mind. I forgot to actually copy something else. Oh, thank you. I greatly appreciate the follow. Thank you very much, man. So let's go ahead and put that there. You know, see, I when it comes to HTML, I do take pride in my work, but it just disappoints me to no end to actually see that everybody else in the IT world that actually does coding can't even code worth crap. So let's go ahead and run it again. And that cured that. So now we gotta deal with the whole background. Okay, so we're gonna have to borrow some lines from the other page, which happens to be. Oh crap. Oh, thank you. I greatly appreciate that. Holy macaroni, man. Holy macaroni, man. Holy crap. How many lemons did you send? Holy mackerel. Holy macaroni, man. Oh, righty then. I definitely greatly appreciate that. Holy macaroni, man. Alright, so let's go, and then we're going to have to go ahead and background image, family, color, texture, center. Oh, you know what? I forgot to actually center the center those text because they oh no, strike that because the body has them centered. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Yeah, because the body actually has it centered, and this is just a paragraph in the body. Okay, never mind. And a massive brain fart there. Ooh, I do greatly appreciate the lovely follow there now. Made in USA review. You know, I ought to check that one out. Yeah, I'll check you out after the stream. Actually, I'll check you both out. Yep. Alright, so let's go with, Wait, what is that? Oh, I do. I do try to keep up with a lot of things, and after a while, it does get kind of Oh, that's cool. Hang on, I gotta grab that name real quick and put that name in another deal there, so I can actually. You know what? Yeah, I think on DLive I don't have anything blocking it, so yeah, you can go ahead. And I'll go ahead and, oh, come on. Make sure you post him there. Alright. Alright, man. And since you guys are following me, I could go through my follows and check you guys out. Because believe it or not, I actually do kind of check the people actually that follow me, and so it's pretty good. Anyway, so we kind of copy that over. See, let's go with background color. So body background color silver. Why? See, that's something I don't understand. See, they actually have that in. See, which style sheet is this going for? Because I'm gonna have to redo the style sheet for it too. Style. No. See, they already have like the background color and the styles, but they're not even using it, which makes no sense whatsoever. So, table background color. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and. Oh man! Now, mind you, I'm attempting to fix pages made by these lovely, wonderful people that claim to actually have, 5 people that are programmers, and then various people that are doing programming, math, and business, and all this other stuff. And this is their code that doesn't go through. It doesn't make it through validating through W3C. So anyway, yeah. So we're going to have to go ahead and do. I have to borrow this right here. And copy that over, and we're going to put that where it's supposed to. Well, actually, yeah, I'm going to put that in our title. Control E, and then we're going to go ahead and close it. copy, paste, and then we're going to go ahead and do, because the first thing that, okay, body. Okay, so we're going to do body. We're going to actually go ahead and bring this over here. And there is no background image, but there is a background color. So we're going to go ahead and kill that. And then we're going to go ahead and put, where did it say the problem was? Line 8, column 1. Oh, line 8, column 1 from it. So it's body underneath the header. And they already have the, see, this makes no sense whatsoever. They actually already have that set here. But they're not using it. So we don't have to worry about that. We can actually go ahead and kill this part off. And bring this part over. Strike that. We need to go and copy that or cut that and paste. Oh, wait. Wait. I'm doing something wrong here. Background color. Yeah, there it is. Background color. I think that's how it's supposed to work. It's actually literally been a while. So, and then they want silver. So let's go into, because I actually like to use hexadecimal. So let's go with a hexadecimal. Hex color wheeled. And then we're going to put, so we're going to put silver. Silver, go. And then so they want that. So we're going to put paste that, and then it is, oh, and then there's no quotations, that's right. No quotations. And hit save. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try, what was it? Contact. And open with wait. What? Okay, hang on now. Okay, I did something wrong here. Oh, duh. You're right if I did it right, huh? There we go. Here we go, man. And then they have all these lovely, wonderful, goofy little question mark symbols in here. Jeez, it just kind of really just makes me wonder. And then the font color they want maroon, which, dagnabbit, which if you, let's see. Let's go ahead and bring that back again. They don't even have. Okay, so I'm at the Pro. So I need to go ahead. Actually, I need to go ahead and put you guys right there, so I can actually make sure to check them out. Yeah, it just kind of just makes me wonder, man. It really does. So maroon images. Why did you get? Why does it? Why did they want to change the color? That just makes no sense in my opinion. Actually, hang on a second. Hang on a second, guys. Hang on. Oh, okay, hang on. So that was actually maroon too. So what the Sam heck? Class header. How did I have it in header? No, it's in here somewhere. Title header. So apparently, H2. Oh, okay. So yeah, I actually had to change the header. To maroon. Oh my god. Really? Really? Why in the freaking world would you do that? Okay, so we're going to have to do something similar to what I did with the last one, which is pretty much just kill this off, and then kill this off, and then bring this completely over because they can't freaking do their stuff like they're supposed to right to begin with. Jeez, it literally just drives me freaking nuts. Okay, so let's go ahead and strike that. No, wrong one. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? Okay, so I'm gonna have to try to find a different color for that then. Let's go ahead and Control Z. Maroon. And, oh, it is a different X color, okay. Alrighty then. Jeez, they're just going all sorts of technicolor, man. Come on, now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and, I'm still gonna go ahead and kill that. But I wanna go ahead and copy this. But instead of leaving it the color that it was, because it's a different color, I need to go ahead and go with this hex color. crap, no. Go with this hex color. Paste. Save. And then, no, wrong one. Okay, that's the same color. Okay. Now we got that going. Well, as you will see, it brought it down because it's header and is where it's supposed to be to begin with. Okay, and then it wants that image. So how big is that image? No, that's not what I wanted. Oh, strike that image. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig around for that image. Okay, so let's go ahead and open that with Internet Explorer. I hate Internet Explorer, but we'll into okay, so it's no, I don't need that. So it's at a set size. Okay, so that's good. I don't have to do any guesstimating on how big it is. Okay, so now let's go ahead and rerun it real quick on the validator to make sure that I've contact. And then center. Are you kidding me? I must have missed that. Wait, where is that center at? Okay, so it's there. And there's a So they want it centered for that and that. So let's go ahead and put a let's go ahead and put that as center then, if that's what they want. Text align center. Since they want the header to be centered, we'll just go ahead and put it in the header CSS for now. Hit save. And then we can go actually go ahead and get that out. And then they want the email thing centered too, so we'll go ahead and put a center thing on it for, not now, but later. Go ahead and get rid of this, go ahead and put save, go ahead and hit that, go ahead and hit. Okay, so now we need to put that as center, so we're going to put, good thing is they made it into a paragraph, so I mean, oh, did I really just do that? Come on. Okay, there. So I'm gonna do p.email. I think it might work for this. I'm not sure. I might have to do something else. It's been a while since I did. Let's see. No. So I need to go ahead and do similar to what I did for the other, which is margin left auto, margin right auto for the Yeah, I do believe that's how it works for images. No. See there. Image, HTML. Actually, it should be CSS, but anyway. And it's class center. Display block. Margin, yeah, margin left, margin right, width 100. Okay, so I was right. So I need to go ahead and hit, I don't know if I'll need to block though, to be honest. So we're going to go ahead and try it this way. Since it's not really a text. And then we'll go ahead and do it this way. So I believe this should actually make it work. No, I guess I didn't. Alrighty then, I'm sorry. I'm trying to be that way. Alright then, I guess I was wrong. And of course, then again, it might be because of the, no, that one. No, Actually, you know what? I'm going to take a quick restroom break and I will be right back. Again, it's been a while since I've dealt with images. I know about floating an image more than I do about making it centered. Because that's more of my thing. But anyway, I will be right back. And so, I had too much fun, or at least try not to anyway. Alright guys, I am back. Get that going. Alright. Alrighty then. So we were trying to figure out, since it actually has been quite a while, maybe I should just do it on the image. Image CSS, because that's pretty much what we're doing anyway. Trying to make it where it all works in CSS, and it just gets me straight to that one. So let's go ahead and put set left and right margins to auto and make sure it's in a block element. So let's go with well, it's got it in actual, like a function like subclass than it actually is a class. So let's go with actually, we could probably do that. Probably could go ahead and copy that and see if that'll actually even work. And then if it does, then we can go ahead and change this to like class email or something like that. That's in a sense all we're doing is we're making this is really just the link for that. That's pretty much all it is. So, in fact, you don't even have it in a deal thingamajig here, so it should. So we'll try it this way first. CLS. I think it's. Wait. I did have it again. Classic. Yeah, pretty much how I've been doing it. Except for that. And then I'll put it as center. Class center. Paste center. Okay, then we'll go ahead and hit save. And yeah, that's how it's supposed to be done. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and let's go with 25, I think. Save. Okay, yeah, that's okay. I remember now. So we're going to go ahead and have let's see. IMG IMG.center. Actually, no, no, we're going to name that in email because it actually happens to be email. So then we're going to go ahead and put that. There, man. Get it going again. Unfortunately, I do kind of do this every now and then. So then we're going to go ahead and do it like that, and it should just, okay, it should not change. Okay, now we're going to put it at 10%. Because basically it's all by itself anyway. Let's go ahead and make it 5%. Because if I remember how it works as a block, is that we're kind of just using that whole line of where it's at, and then we're kind of just shrinking the block so the image can be smaller, if I remember it. Again, it's actually been a while since I've actually looked into stuff like this. because I usually do, float left or right. I don't do the whole center thing because I don't think, everything needs to be centered. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and that might be a little bit too small. So we're going to bring it back up to 7%. That's about right. It's only a teensy bit bigger. So yeah, we're pretty much good to go now. So that means we can go ahead and call that done. And then we can go ahead and rerun it through the validator. Contact, check. And so now we're at the P is not allowed. What the Sam heck? Okay, so they wanted. Okay, so they wanted it spread out even more. Okay, I think I see what they're doing. Well, if I'm not mistaken, you probably could go ahead and copy. Should be able to do this to get the same effect. Oh, you don't. So, Oh, crap. How did I'm trying to figure out how, I remember how I did it for the Housing Authority. Maybe if you put in another break. Let's go ahead and try to put another break in. There you go. Problem solved. Instead of making a paragraph, you just go ahead and add another break and be done with it. That should actually make it pass this, because it's saying that it could not be a element P, not allowed as child element. So yeah, they're trying to do all sorts of crap, wacky stuff. Wacky to wacky is what they must have been smoking putting this thing together. Okay, so image element must have an alt. Oh yes, actually that's right. It does need an alt. Wait, how does the alt thing work again? Again, it's been like forever since I did. Oh, okay, just alt Paris, except for we're not doing alt Paris, we're going to do. Actually, where did they stick it? Oh, okay, just between that and that, that's fine. We can do that. Except for we're not going to call it Paris, we're going to go ahead and call it flying. How would you do this? Huh. I guess I could make it flying envelope. Flying envelope. Huh. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and call it that, flying envelope. That's pretty much what it is. it's flying past the Earth, you know, planet, or whatever you call it. And so we'll go ahead and do that. And paste that there, and now now granted, that's not going to cure all the problems, because there's still going to be some problems that this validator doesn't check for when it comes to considering the people that are blind. This is more like a thing to make it where when they go through their screen reader and it comes to this images, it's going to say flying envelope instead of blank. So that's the reason why it complains when it comes to needing when it says where is it when it says something about element must have an altitude except for under certain circumstances. That's because they are following these guidelines right here. Is an error except for in most cases guidelines, checkers, requirements, provided. Considering content, image appears as function image. Okay, well, it didn't exactly do what I was saying anything like I was hoping it would, but that's basically what it's for. It's for when people that actually use screen readers that are blind come to the page and it comes to their image, and then there you go. So let's go ahead and rerun this because it should clear that error. I mean, it's a minor thing, I know, but it still needs to be done. So misinformed bit sequence 92. Wait, what? Misformed bit sequence. Line 42, column 4. Oh, okay, yeah. So it kind of makes me wonder if they, bit sequence 92, 90. See, this is one of the things that drives me nuts, because it's saying that little question mark thingamabobber and that little question mark thingamabobber and that little question mark thingamabobber makes no sense to even the freaking validator. And when it says something about it not making sense to even the validator, then that's when you could tell somebody was on something the day that they coded this page. So the only thing I could think of is that they were after. Okay, where is that even at? It says line 42, so line 42 happens to be here. See, it actually has it there, so let's go ahead and post that, and then this the other one says it's in line 48. Line 48. Let's see, where is it at? Agents. Agents. Okay, so let's go ahead and, because I think that's going to cover that, and then oh, it's literally this. Okay, so that should clear those errors, even though those are really strange errors and I've never really came across those. Yeah, I don't think I've ever came across those. Now, normally when I code, they kind of end up getting like all squiggly and everything. Not a little triangle question mark thing. So, that probably has to do with the character set they're using and it not making sense. Oh yeah, it cleared them right. Oh my god. Oh jeez, Erlof, come on now. Come on now. Alright, so alright, so we got 2 other errors. Huh. Oh man. Alright guys, I want to attend to my caregiver duties and I will be right back. So don't have too much fun, or at least try not to anyway. Alright guys, I am back. Just had to make sure that I wasn't going to be having to go out and hunt and go get prescriptions and stuff right now. Anyway, so again with the font size equals -1. What is the deal with the whole -1 thing? Come on, you know? Are you serious? Are you literally serious? And they're using freaking tables yet again. Okay, so what does... I gotta get a better look at what this says. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to go ahead and... Jeez. Okay, so founder... Okay... Alright, so... What's it complaining about? The... font element. You know... Maybe I'm just simply maybe I'm just taking the job or what I've learned. Maybe I'm just taking it a little too seriously because it kind of just makes me wonder. I'm gonna have to make some tea here pretty soon. Okay, so line 44, column 28, line 44, column 41. It has that same stupid font size equals -1. Okay, so I'm gonna have to. Where is it? There was another one that said or strike that -1. That was there in the footer. Let's see where. So there it is, TD block. Founder top. Jeez. And they're all on a freaking block. Well, at least it's. Okay, so I'm gonna have to let's see, block. I'm gonna have to find it in here where it's at. TD class block. And it actually has vertical alignment top. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and do that. I really hate it when they do this crap. Really hate it when they do this crap. That's why I keep on saying that I must be taking what I do rather too seriously, because this is literally driving me nuts. It really is. It's driving me beyond nuts right now. So we're gonna go with TD block vertical, and we're gonna go ahead and make this. We're going to go ahead and borrow TD, because it is a TD, right? It is a TD. So we're going to go with TD class block, and then we're going to dump that right here. And then we're going to hit save. And then we're going to hope that it works, because it's going to drive me nuts. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and... Yeah, because you can tell, see how this is actual, just a line, and then this is like a really shorter line. It's the difference between the character set. In fact, that's the reason why you can go ahead and see the difference between that and that. It's the difference between the character set. They used a really old character set and then just hoped it would have worked. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and run that into the validator. And then I think, I don't know, I might go ahead and try to do another page. Okay, so now we're just stuck on the font. Font size equals -1. Why did you guys? Why? Why? That's all I can ask. Why? I wonder if I'm gonna have to do a span on that. Because you can see it ever so slightly between this line, or strike that, this line where it does, and then you can see it ever so slightly with this line right here. It's the same character, just a different character set. And it's the same thing right here. Same character, just a different character set. So, I have a feeling I'm gonna have to go ahead and span right here to get this to maybe the size that they want, or that they were aiming for. And it's been a while since I used to span. SPAN, HTML. And I am very partial to W3C schools. Span class style. See, that's what I'm probably going to have to do. But just make a class for span, since it's just that for that one little event. Now if it was like for like when it came to like if like it's right here with TD, and this was the only TD, you'd actually use just take the dot block, or take this part out and make it where it affects all the TDs, which I believe it's the yeah, it's been a while since I did. No, I think one's row, one's column, one's anyway. So it would actually affect. That's the reason why when it comes to header, that's the reason why I don't have anything after it, because it's affecting this entire header part of it. So we're going to go ahead and do span. All right, now he wants. I literally have. So let's go with font size 13. I think that's probably going to be about the closest it's going to get. If not, we can just flicker around, flicker with it. And then we're going to go ahead and put, instead of font, we're going to go ahead and put it as span. Yeah. And it should work. Paste. And then we're going to go ahead and hit. Wait. Okay, he wants it bolded and underlined, so I can do that. Bold and underlined. Wait. So he wants the whole thing bold and underlined? Are you freaking kidding me? Anyway, let's go ahead and do this first. And why he has these, I have no freaking clue. I really don't. It's one of the things that are driving me up the wall right now. That it makes no sense. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out, because in my opinion, they are not needed. You just do it like that and be done with it. Matter of fact, instead of doing it like that, there you go, hot day. Holy macaroni, man! Oh, jeez, it really just irks me to no end. Yeah, so yeah, it's about close. Okay, so he wanted that. So the way I do it is normally dot, and it's actually, let me go ahead and actually wait, because there's another italicize. Wait, style. I think we can do it this way, except for instead of italicize, we can do underline. So let's go ahead and first finish this before I lose it. And then underline, I think that's it. And then we can do p.bold underline, because the way I do some stuff is something like that. And then we can go ahead and get rid of this. He wants it in bold, and he wants it underlined. And then they still didn't even have it freaking close to begin with. And they don't even have any of these closed up. These are wide open. So let's go ahead and go for class equals bold underline, copy, paste, save. Okay, so ew. Well, the bold part worked. Wait, how do you do the whole underline? Underline HTML. Is that right? No, actually, let's go with CSS because that's what I'm going to do anyway. Underline HTML CSS. Just go ahead, there you go. CSS properties. Text decoration is what it's called. Literally, text decoration? Is that literally what it's called now? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's font size. Are you kidding me right now? Wait, it says font style. They must have changed it. Text decoration. They must have changed it here recently. So I thought it was, wait. Font. Italic, CSS. Oh yeah, it's definitely, okay. I see. Yeah, okay, I see now. It has changed a little bit since I coded. But hey, we learn something new every day. Or I should say, relearn something new every day. Because in the world of IT, you really don't ever stop learning, because the world of IT is always changing. And when it comes to, me being a caregiver and a freelance IT guy and a streamer, it kind of makes it where some stuff that I happen to try to keep up to date keeps on going. Anyway, so that should. No, wait. See, they didn't even. See, they didn't even do it right for the others too. Even though it's passing, it's still not right. So I'm going to go ahead and so that's the only place where they want it small. So I need to go ahead and make sure these are bold and underlined too. So let's go ahead and include paragraph class, bold underlined. So I was kind of right. It's just that the way I did it was wrong. Instead of it being font style, it is decoration or text decoration. So either way, it after a while, like this is a fine example of why being an IT guy is somewhat hard if you're not kept up to date, because stuff like that will change, and you have to keep up with it. And of course, I'm going to have to. The good thing is, I don't have to worry about doing too much more. So I'm tempted to go ahead and just call it a day here after working on this page. Says this is literally, what is this? This is literally because we only had a little bit to do in the last page, but this one we're basically just fixing minor problems that shouldn't really exist in a web page. So I'm tempted to go ahead and call it a day, because some of these problems are just driving me. Some of these problems shouldn't even exist. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So let's go ahead and do this minor stuff here. So I gotta figure out where this. Okay, so that. Actually, it kind of makes me wonder if they were aiming to. Okay, let's go ahead and see what this does. Let's see what happens if I go ahead and put like a paragraph in here. If it changes anything, because if it doesn't, then I'm going to fix that problem too. Let me go ahead and refresh this. Yeah, it's not even changing all that. Now this is slightly bigger. So I might go ahead and bring that down. Let's see, let's go ahead and bring that back down to bring it to 6%. Let's bring it to 6%, see how that goes. No, it needs to go ahead. We need to leave it at 7. Leave it at 7, it'll be good to go. It's just going to be slightly bigger. Either way, it's still going to the same spot. So, this needs to have paragraphs in it. Okay, that's just one line. Okay, so this needs to have a paragraph in it. I'm not sure what they were thinking, to be honest, because let's go ahead and save this. And yeah, because that's not really changing much. That's not really changing much. So, and this is all by itself. So I need to go ahead and button up these paragraphs. Come on now. So that's closed up, that's closed up. This is where they're not closed up. Okay, so we need to go ahead and put that there, put that there, put that there, put that there, put that there. And so these are all pretty much closed up now. Oh, but they decided to close up this paragraph. The only paragraph on the freaking page they decided to go ahead and do something right on. Oh, strike that. No, they didn't. Oh, wait. Well, yeah, actually they did, I think. Either way, it's just this is the reason why I get kind of go a little bonkers. Because then they go ahead and close this, and then they go ahead and then close that. So they got a block inside of a block. Holy macaroni, man. Holy macaroni. So, we're going to go ahead and close this up. We're going to go ahead and save it. We're going to go ahead and run the validator again. And, that's free of errors. So, that's 2 pages. Granted, the first page that we done or fixed was already kind of done from the first time we touched it. So, tomorrow, if everything goes right and everything like that, then we will go ahead and play a little bit of, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, to be honest, I really don't. So I know I can't really play, oh crap, it was a game that I've recently got into. I don't think I can really stream it because the way it's been, I've been having some lag issues while not streaming. And usually when it comes to me having minor slight lag issues while not streaming it, usually leads into some major problems while streaming it. But it is a new battle royale. Actually, let me go ahead and hang on just a second. Go ahead and put my PS4 on so I can actually know what the name of it is, so I can actually tell you. It's going to take a while for that. Anyway, I think it's like Dogfighter or Warfighter or some crap like that. Either way, it's literally the only freaking battle royale game that I've actually felt. And yeah, I've got got stumped on it a couple times too. But anyway, it's oh, here comes TV. It's trying on. No, actually, it's called Dogfighter World War II. Okay, so I was right. Dogfighter World War II. Now, like I said, I don't think I can stream it because of the minor lag I experience every now and then. I'm not sure if it's because of AT&T or maybe because of where they're at. Either way, I've learned when there's minor lag issues while not streaming it, then there is major lag issues when I do stream it. That's the reason why sometimes, I should say, all the time that I play Destiny 2 while streaming, it's usually just me going on patrols or me doing strikes, because I may be the slow one, I may be the laggy one, but the other three, if there happens to be 3 other people actually joining in on the strike, they can keep on going, relatively keep on going without me. Might be a pain in the ass. And that's the other reason why I don't like doing PvP when it comes to Destiny 2 or anything like that, because hey, AT&T internet is so wonderful, especially when you're paying $120 a month, and that's only because you have satellite and phone, or I should say only because I have satellite and phone and internet all rolled into one, and they still kind of treat you like crap every now and then, or treat me like crap every now and then. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just cut it off there. I know it is only roughly 2 hours, I know, but as you can see, the lovely, wonderful problems that I've fixed. Granted, like I said, the first page that we worked on today was a page that we worked on at the start of this lovely, wonderful journey of fixing pages that people can't really code worth crap in. But well, geez, I kind of lost track. I just lost my train of thought there, man. Anyway, so that's why every now and then I figured it'd be best to go ahead and alternate between coding pages or fixing pages that people can't code worth crap and games. So I don't know. We might play a little bit of Anthem or a little bit of Destiny. I think those are the only ones I can really play and stream at the same time. I tried with Titanfall 2, but the way our internet is, I am laggy as all get out while trying to stream it. So, and I've actually recently got into that. So, with that being said, I am going to find the credits and roll them. And the only thing I really kind of ask you guys to do is to go to my Life page and make a donation there. All the donations there go to the Children's Hospital Foundation here in Oklahoma. And I believe since this whole COVID stuff that actually has been starting since December of last year, according to some people, while others say it started in March. Yeah, kind of just don't understand that. But anyway, because of this whole COVID stuff, that it actually goes toward a couple of other things, not just kids, bills, and helping parents. It actually goes to other organizations, I do believe. If not, it mainly goes to kids, though, I believe. So either way, kids will get it. And it helps them with whatever they need in one form or another. So with that being said, till next time, don't have too much fun.